In a galaxy far, far away, there lived a YouTuber Jedi named Luke Skywalker. What up, guys? It's Luke Skywalker here, and tonight is it's a Christmas countdown. 12 o'clock. It's Christmas. It's already 12 a.m. in the morning, and it's already 12 a.m. So let's try to make it 3 a.m. And everyone, Merry Christmas to you all. And I love you guys. Please make my wish or gift granted. Because my gift I want for Christmas is 35 subscribers or plus subscribers and 8 likes on this video. Every video gets 8 likes or more. So let's get 8 likes on every video. And please let me reach 35 subscribers. And Merry Christmas to you all. And I love you guys. Oh, fireworks! 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 Come on, timing! Come, let's go out. Fireworks! Come on, see! Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there. There. There, I can see. Can you see that? Okay, let's find another angle. That was awesome. It was a really good time. Oh, there's more. There's more. There. Watch there. Did it stop? Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video. And I hope you will have a Merry Christmas. Hey, guys. And that was a really good timing because I was just vlogging and I just saw fireworks. I just heard fireworks. That was awesome. Awesome indeed. And see you guys in the next video. And please subscribe to my channel. Let's get 35 subs. And have a Merry Christmas. And most of all, Santa Claus is coming to town. And I'm going to say to him, if I see him, to all of you guys, this is the word. May the YouTube force be with you always. Merry Christmas!